Welcome to the Iraqi Dinar Today latest news. We are diving deep into the current landscape of Iraq's financial sector and the various factors influencing the national currency as we move through 2026. This year has already proven to be a period of significant transition for the country, marked by a series of deliberate economic maneuvers and policy shifts. For those who have been monitoring the reports and tracking the progress of the Iraqi dinar, the recent updates suggest that the groundwork for long-term stability is being laid with more precision than in previous years. The focus remains on how the Iraqi government and the central bank are coordinating their efforts to navigate the complexities of the global market while strengthening their internal fiscal foundations. The narrative surrounding the Iraqi dinar in 2026 is heavily defined by the stabilization of the broader economy. After decades of dealing with various external and internal pressures, Iraq is currently experiencing a phase where its financial systems are becoming more resilient. The government has prioritized the restructuring of its monetary framework, aiming to create a system that can withstand the volatility often associated with the region. This shift towards stability is not merely a coincidence but the result of rigorous planning and the implementation of international standards within their banking institutions. As these systems become more robust, the conversation naturally turns toward the potential impact on the national currency's standing. Infrastructure development has emerged as a primary pillar of the government's strategy to bolster the nation's economic health. Massive investments are being channeled into multi-billion-dollar projects that span several essential sectors, including energy, transportation, and housing. These initiatives are designed to do more than just improve the physical landscape of the country. They are intended to create a sustainable environment for economic output. By modernizing the nation's infrastructure, Iraq is signaling to the global community that it is prepared for increased commercial activity. The strength of any currency is fundamentally linked to the productivity and reliability of the nation it represents, and these projects are direct contributors to that perceived value. The energy sector, particularly oil production, remains the engine of the Iraqi economy, and recent updates indicate a concerted effort to expand this capacity further. Iraq continues to be a dominant force in the global oil market, and the revenue generated from this sector is vital for the nation's fiscal reserves. However, the current approach involves more than just increasing output. It focuses on the modernization of extraction and refining processes. By improving efficiency and adopting newer technologies, the government aims to maximize the revenue per barrel. This increase in capital allows for a stronger backing of the dinar, providing the central bank with more tools to manage the currency's position effectively. Diversification is also a key theme in the 2026 economic reports. As the government seeks to move away from a mono-export economy, there is a significant push to revitalize the agricultural and manufacturing sectors to reduce the country's reliance on imported goods. By encouraging domestic production, Iraq aims to keep more of its wealth within its borders, which inherently supports the stability of the dinar. This shift towards self-sufficiency is expected to create a more balanced trade environment. When a country produces more of what it consumes, it reduces the pressure on its foreign exchange reserves, often leading to a more favorable outlook for the local currency over time. Transparency and the fight against corruption have become central to the administrative reforms currently taking place. The Iraqi government is working to implement stricter oversight and better regulatory practices within its financial institutions. These measures are critical for building trust with both domestic citizens and international partners. A transparent financial system is a prerequisite for any significant currency movement or economic advancement. By reducing the bureaucratic hurdles and ensuring that funds are utilized for their intended purposes, the government is creating a more predictable environment. This predictability is essential for the long-term health of the dinar and the overall economy. The Central Bank of Iraq has been particularly active in managing the country's monetary policy to combat historical issues like inflation. By tightening controls and aligning with international banking protocols, the central bank is aiming to create a market-friendly environment. These policy adjustments are designed to ensure that the dinar remains a reliable medium of exchange. Inflation control is a delicate balancing act, but it is necessary for maintaining the purchasing power of the populace. As the central bank continues to refine these mechanisms, The goal is to reach a point of equilibrium where the currency reflects the actual growth and potential of the Iraqi state. Foreign relations and international trade are also playing a substantial role in the 2026 economic outlook. Iraq is leveraging its strategic geographical position in the Middle East to become a central hub for regional trade. The government is actively working on improving trade agreements with neighboring countries and fostering better relationships with global financial entities. This increased connectivity is expected to bring in more foreign investment, which is a significant driver of economic strength. When foreign capital flows into a country, it typically creates a higher demand for the local currency, which can influence its international standing and provide a boost to the domestic market. The ease of doing business in Iraq is another area seeing significant improvement. New policies are being introduced to attract foreign investors by reducing the red tape that has previously hindered commercial growth. By creating a more inviting atmosphere for international corporations, Iraq is opening its doors to new technology, expertise, and capital. These investments often result in large-scale projects that provide jobs and stimulate local economies. As the private sector grows, it adds a layer of diversity to the economy that supports the government's efforts to stabilize and eventually increase the inherent value of the national currency. Recent reports from various analysts and observers suggest that the possibility of currency revaluation is a topic of ongoing discussion within the context of these economic shifts. While no specific timelines are ever certain, the alignment of a growing economy, massive infrastructure projects, and a stable government creates a unique environment. The key to any such move is sustainability. The government and the central bank are focused on ensuring that any changes to the currency's value are backed by real economic data. The objective is to avoid sudden shocks to the system, favoring a gradual and steady progression that reflects the country's actual wealth and productivity. Patience remains a core theme for those following these developments closely. Major economic transformations do not occur overnight, and the process of rebuilding a national economy is a complex, multi-year endeavor. The Iraqi authorities are taking a methodical approach to ensure that the progress they make is permanent. This long-term perspective is essential for understanding the current trajectory of the dinar. By focusing on the foundational elements of the economy first, the government is ensuring that when the currency does see an adjustment, it is supported by robust and thriving national infrastructure. Monitoring the news and staying informed about legislative changes is vital for anyone interested in the Iraqi dinar. The government frequently releases updates regarding its budget, investment laws, and central bank policies, all of which provide clues to the direction of the economy. Keeping an eye on these official reports helps in understanding the factual progression of the country. In 2026, the volume of these updates has increased, reflecting the accelerated pace of the government's reform agenda. This active communication is a sign of a government that is becoming more engaged with its role in the global financial community. The role of technology in Iraq's banking sector is also evolving. There is a push toward digital banking and modern payment systems, which helps in tracking financial flows and reducing the reliance on physical cash. This modernization is part of the broader effort to align Iraq with the global financial system. A more modern banking sector is more efficient and less prone to the errors and delays of the past. These technological advancements are silent but powerful drivers of economic health, providing a more stable platform for the dinar to function within both the domestic and international markets. Strategic partnerships with international organizations like the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank continue to guide Iraq's fiscal policies. These collaborations ensure that Iraq's economic reforms are in line with global expectations and best practices. The technical assistance provided by these organizations helps Iraq refine its tax systems, customs procedures, and public spending. This international validation is important for attracting serious investment and for the eventual positioning of the dinar on the world stage. It demonstrates a commitment to a standard of excellence that is necessary for any modern economy. The agricultural sector's revival is particularly noteworthy because it addresses food security while creating employment in rural areas. By investing in modern irrigation techniques and supporting local farmers, the government is reducing the need to spend foreign reserves on food imports. This conservation of capital is a subtle yet effective way to support the national currency. A self-sufficient Iraq is a stronger Iraq, and the 2026 initiatives in this sector are a testament to the government's comprehensive approach to national development. Every dinar saved on imports is a dinar that stays in the local economy to support growth. Manufacturing is another area where Iraq is seeing a resurgence. Small and medium-sized enterprises are being encouraged through grants and better access to credit. As these businesses grow, they contribute to the gross domestic product and help diversify the sources of national income. This grassroots economic activity is essential for creating a resilient economy that can survive fluctuations in oil prices. The stronger the internal market, the more stable the currency becomes, as it is backed by a wider variety of goods and services produced within the country itself. The government's commitment to building modern highways, ports, and airports is a long-term investment that will pay dividends for decades. These assets make the transport of goods more efficient and cheaper, which benefits all sectors of the economy. High-quality infrastructure is often a prerequisite for large-scale foreign investment. As Iraq completes these projects, it becomes a more attractive destination for global logistics and trade. This physical growth is a tangible representation of the country's progress and a positive indicator for the future of the dinar. Education and workforce development are also being prioritized to ensure that the Iraqi people can participate in this new economy. By training the youth in technical and financial fields, the government is preparing the next generation to manage and grow the nation's wealth. A skilled workforce is a significant asset for any country and contributes to its overall economic value. This investment in human capital is a crucial piece of the puzzle, ensuring that the economic gains made in 2026 and beyond are sustainable and benefit the population at large. The 2026 outlook for the Iraqi dinar is one of cautious optimism based on factual developments and government actions. The focus on stability, infrastructure, and economic diversification provides a clear roadmap for the country's future. While the process of currency adjustment is complex and requires careful timing, the underlying indicators show a nation that is moving in a positive direction. The commitment to reform and the implementation of large-scale projects suggest that Iraq is preparing for a new chapter in its economic history. Staying updated with the latest reports and remaining patient as these long-term projects come to fruition is the most practical approach. The Iraqi government is clearly laying the groundwork for a more prosperous future, and the dinar is at the center of this transformation. By following the news and understanding the mechanics of these changes, one can gain a clearer picture of Iraq's journey toward becoming a stable and significant player in the global economy.